Hey guys,
welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be cooking and I'm so excited because I can't cook and I'm gonna cook today. The reason why I haven't been posting is because I literally got food poisoning and I've been sick. Today I brought myself together and I'm gonna make a video for you guys. And I'm just gonna be cooking like different categories and I'll show you how to do it, even though you probably won't learn much if like you can cook, but it's okay.
We're smashing mics in karaoke bars.
Now we're gonna make some juice.
juice.
We're gonna make watermelon juice. I know it's like really easy. We're gonna just try. Yeah. The melon. Don't play with knives.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya.
Now, I'm going to take out the frosting. And I'm gonna be taking.
You see, somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful.
Okay, so to make watermelon juice, you just need to have a bowl and a mashed potato thing, and just mash it all up, trying to get all the juice out. And once you get all the juice out, you're gonna get a strainer and put it over like a bowl, and make sure the seeds and any rest of the stuff that you don't want into your drink to get it out. And yep, put it in a glass. Guys, of course I know that you guys know how to make watermelon juice. I was literally being sarcastic. So we just finished making the watermelon juice. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it in front of you guys. I know like watermelon juice is easy, but like I was kind of lazy, so no surprise. So I'm gonna make some vegan banana chocolate chip donuts. In a large bowl, mix the oat flour, mashed banana, and almond milk until fully combined. Okay. You literally don't look like the Pinterest picture. They're like, what, crumbly? So, I keep getting burned. I'm going to... I forgot to oil the pan. Yeah! Oh my... It's okay. I'm literally so dumb. Like, who forgets to oil the freaking pans? You know what? We're not going to talk about it. Okay, so next up, I am going to be making a Buddha bowl. It's like basically like a salad, but with a lot more nutrition, and it's really filling. So, yeah. And basically, like, I just realized I actually didn't really cook the entire video. I just, like, made food. So today, instead of cooking white rice, I'm gonna be cooking purple rice. This is the purple rice. I went shopping yesterday in the Chinese market and I got a lot of the stuff.
Yeah!
And I'm going to pour some of it in there.
Bruh.
Oh, are you serious? Because it didn't open, and I don't know where the scissors is. I'm gonna be using this knife. Okay, so to make a Buddha bowl, you're gonna need to cook some rice. You can use any type of rice. You're gonna wash your vegetables. You're gonna put into your bowl because you do not know where they've been. And then I'm just using the spin dry thing to get rid of all the excess water. That way it's not in your salad. And I plate them into little bowls. You can use whatever size you want. I chose to use purple rice for my Buddha bowl. And I just put vegetables in, peppers, nuts, avocados, and that, my friend, is how you make a Buddha bowl. I finished after 2 hours. I didn't even cook, but I did make food. I was so frustrated about these, like, they're not even donuts. I couldn't even puncture holes in them because if I did, they would fall apart. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys eating it so that we can see if my food was worth 2 hours to make. I'm gonna try my watermelon juice first. I'm kind of nervous because, as you can see, I was like hammering down on the watermelon, but it's actually like really good. Like, wow. Okay, next I'm gonna try these. They're not even donuts. They're not even donuts anymore. They're literally like crumbly stuff. They're not donuts. I'm not proud of this. Pinterest is clickbait. It literally looked like this. And then when I made it, it looked like this. Like, what? Okay, lastly, we're gonna try this Buddha bowl that I made. The presentation looks good, but it's not very tasty. I mean, I'm sure there's lots of nutrition in it, but it's not best tasting, you know? Honestly, how it took me 2 hours to do this. It's not even that good. Like, I put in so much effort. I like literally almost cut my finger off too, so.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart